Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to another special episode of Cops Court and Coffee, where we show videos that are trending that deals with the overall safety of the general public. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to Cops Court and Coffee. I'm Darnell Leeson. Now, the video that you're about to see involves an individual who makes the decision to show off for the camera while he has a passenger on the back, and he really should have been wearing a helmet and watching the road. You know where this is going, right? Here's what happens. Now, that really looked like it hurt. Now, you see, this is why it's important, very important, for anyone who's riding a motorcycle, dirt bike, or ATV to wear some type of DOT-approved helmet. Listen, be safe and be smart. Don't end up using your head like this guy, alright? Because he used his head in a different way. Anyway, comment below and tell us what you think about this video, and don't forget to share the video as well. And also, please make sure you guys subscribe to the Cops Court and Coffee YouTube channel. Until next time, I'm Darnell Leeson, and that's what's trending.